Kidney stones form when minerals in your urine stick together and create hard deposits inside your kidneys. The most common type is calcium oxalate stones, affecting about 80% of people with kidney stones. Lemon juice can actually help prevent these stones from forming in the first place. It contains high levels of citrate, a natural compound that stops stone formation. Citrate binds to calcium particles in your urine before they can attach to oxalate or phosphate. This binding action prevents the crystals from forming and growing into stones. You need about half a cup of pure lemon juice each day to get enough citrate for prevention. Mix this amount with water and drink it throughout the day rather than all at once. Both fresh squeezed and bottled lemon juice work equally well for this purpose. The citrate content is the same in both versions, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. Lemon juice works best for calcium oxalate stones, which are the most common type. However, drinking plain water remains your most important defense against all kidney stones. Water dilutes your urine and prevents minerals from concentrating and forming crystals. Think of lemon juice as a helpful addition to your hydration routine, not a replacement for water. Use lemon juice as a prevention tool if you are prone to stones, but always consult your doctor for existing stones.